Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Okay guys, so in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to check the app's most wasted battery on Infinix Smart 8 easily. Okay guys, so if you are curious why your cell phone battery runs out quickly, maybe one of them is because there's an application that is very wasteful of battery guys. And now we can check it. First, go to settings menu, and then here you can scroll down and go to phone marathon guys over here, yeah. And then now you can go to battery settings guys. You can click for it, and then click on the top, there's battery usage. And so yeah, this is the most wasted battery guys, and there's a presentation too guys. And so yeah, from now on you can reduce the use of this application so that they don't continue to drain your cell phone battery anymore. Alright guys, so here's the tutorial on how to check apps most wasted battery on Infinix Smart 8, and thank you so much for watching.